So let me get this straight. Can't even fucking speak straight. Bernie, rigged. Trump, rigged. Unless he wins. Hillary, the pattern abuse victim who has spent her life serving us, and everybody knows it, whether you lie to deny it or not. The pattern abuse victim that has spent her life serving the American people and the world as Christ commanded her to. And that was her motivation, by the way. Couldn't possibly be rigged against her. No. That's silly. Who would think that? I'm going to try to calm down so I can stop glowing on camera. For behold, darkness shall cover the earth. Gross darkness, the people. And the Gentiles shall come to thy light. Since I haven't done this on camera, and it's been happening consistently for 2 years now, thank you, Father, for your miracles that you have shown these ungrateful children on camera. Please, God, let them hear your truth in their hearts. Yeah, I'm not some fucking evangelist, but I just prayed on camera, which is usually something I recommend against. There comes a time when the desperate cause of democracy and freedom requires sacrifices. And I wouldn't just sacrifice my life to save all of you. I would sacrifice my soul. Can you commit that much to the truth? That's all I've been doing here. While people have been accusing me of being a government agent, we're all about to find out who's the real fucking government agents. But for which government?